Пойдешь. Видно.
The cat is fine, but the legs have not been informed.
Legs? Like, this cat is freaking weird.
Is the cactus your best friend?
This owner sneezed so loud, his cat's internal software actually glitched out.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Michael heard "don't try it," took it as a challenge, and instantly vanished off the ledge like a bad decision.
Don't try it. No! Oh! Michael! Ah!
Hi, baby.
Nana? Nana?
They can't see each other. The slapping continues anyway. He tried to launch a sneak attack from the roof, and gravity launched him instead.
I love you.
His body is napping, but his ears are currently on a completely different shift.
Stop. I'm just eating. I'm just trying to eat. Ow! Bro. No, stop.
This cat has a lot to say, but it's currently stuck buffering. This cat is currently having a very loud argument with the hairdryer.
You want to come outside? Okay. Come on.
Gravity just quit its job, and this cat is the only one who noticed.
Stop. Marvin, stop.
This cat is convinced his tail is not his, and he's currently losing the argument.
Good morning.
Jazzy, what you doing? You're in a tortilla.
George, you're not itching anything.
This cat stood up, held the pose, and slowly remembered it was still a cat.
Be sweet.
And I don't care if you get mad or get an attitude. It's your tail slapping on my laptop, la boy. And you need to move your feet and your tail out my way. I wish you would hit me. I wish you would hit me.
This cat was trying to show off his balcony parkour skills, but then he just changed states of matter and moved on.
Hey. What are you doing?
Does anybody else's cat like to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours?
This cat missed the seat, grabbed the backrest, spun around the chair, and still ended up exactly where it wanted. This cat didn't come down the stairs, it just let the stairs deal with it.
Come here.
Go.
She waited until the perfect moment, then launched the world's most dramatic side jump.
Buddy, you're
So chopped.
buddy, your ear. That's not the way. That's not the way out.
This cat has no idea what it looks like, and it's never been more confident. This cat stole a slipper twice his size and walked off like it's completely normal.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten!
This kitten found the tassels and started ripping them off like it had a deadline.
It's so weird.
This cat is eating in a completely broken position and acting like it's totally normal. This cat has never seen anything move that slowly. The dog's excited to be here. The cat did not ask for any of this.
Ow! Sonny, back up. No, back up.
Well, did you
She presents him the paper, he punches the holes, and clocks out immediately.
Do you need some help? Oh, you poor little.
I'll save you. Rescue mission. I'm free. Yippee-yay.
The reflection is doing everything right. Toast is still waiting for it to mess up.
Toast, that's you. Toast. Toast.
This cat has reached peak dad energy, and he's not to be disturbed while his program is on.
To save the declining herds.
This cat decided the floor is optional and the ceiling is the goal.
Come on.